attributes, or what they call as SERQUAL attributes. In the reliability, okay, this is providing the services as promised. If the transportation company is telling that the product will be shipped to your destination, okay, in 2 days, the company has to see that the goods are delivered to the customer location in 2 days. Reliability will also come dependability in handling the customer services problems. Customer may be having the problem about the goods information, okay, not delivered, or there may be some hassles in order booking, or there may be delay in the delivery, or maybe some problems in the transit, damages, theft, like that. So customer ARPS grievances to the transportation companies. How the transportation companies handle such grievances and see that the customers are happy after the interaction or the engagement. That brings the reliability in the transportation sector. It is always told that do the work right for the first time. It applies to the services quality reliability also. You have to perform the services right the first time. If the customer has booked a parcel with a Gati transportation, Gati has to do the delivery quickly on agreed time and also notify the customer. Billing has to be proper, invoice generation the first time, because if the customer is unhappy this time, few may return back to our services, but few may exit from the company's business, and it is very difficult to acquire a new customer. Therefore, you need to work on retaining the customer. Companies which are now providing reliable services in the first time improves their services qualities. Another notable feature in the transportation business is time. Reliability will come when you provide the services at the promised time. Why the Amazon or the Flipkart are emphasizing on the prime time, prime delivery. They have a tie-up with the FedEx, they have a tie-up with the Safe Express, Gati, UPS in India, so that the customer who is booking the order should get the delivery when they promises. Therefore, the onus is on the transportation companies to see that the goods moved from the warehouses to the customer destination on time. A few of these companies like Safe Express and Gati or VRL, they have an excess vehicle in case of the breakdown or the natural calamity. They have to pass the goods from one destination to another destination very quickly because they have to adhere to the time they have promised with the clients. The reliability will also come when the companies are working for zero defect system. You need to maintain the error-free records. That's an attribute of the service quality, reliability attribute. Companies are working towards the lean management, reducing the waste. They are also making it a zero defect system. So starting from informing the customer order management, then the execution of the orders, delivery management, and the customer satisfaction management. Everywhere the transportation companies have to bring the error-free records. So if you have a lot of problems with the transit damages, customer may not come into the business because they are in the business to business segment. So these 5 important attributes of the reliability makes the services quality. In case of the responsiveness, the attributes are as follows. You need to keep the customer informed as to when the services will be performed. Say a customer comes to the Gati Transportation or Arshia Logistics and books a, a parcel. You need to give the tracking ID to the customer. So customer need not to worry. He goes to his mobile phones or applications and type the tracking ID, will come to know where his goods are and when it will be delivered. So this information to the customer will help the company to perform better. Apart from this, prompt services to the customer is required. The breakdown because of the unforeseen, like a curfew, like strikes, like burn, or maybe natural disaster. You need to tell the customer the reasons for the delay in the services. If that is told, the prompt services enhances the services responses, improves the services quality. Company always need to have the eagerness to help the customer. Your willingness to help the customer will improve the responsiveness. Customer may be not knowing about booking multiples. So you can insist that why don't you book in one and save the cost. Customer may be booking 2-3 destinations separately. You can tell them, so we have a cross-docking facility. You book in a one courier, you can save the costing. So this eagerness of the transportation company help the customer to reduce the cost, improves the responsiveness. Further, you need to readiness to the respond to the customer request. Customer who may be looking for a faster delivery. He is a regular customer. He has given the business to you. It's very urgent to the customer. So once in a while, this request is coming. So these are the contingency arrangement that we have to make. So suddenly you need to arrange a smaller vehicle and see that the goods are delivered at a customer's location. If you respond to such requests, which are once in a lifetime or maybe contingencies to the customer request, customer will be will be with the company forever. So these 4 attributes of the responsiveness will help in the services quality. Moving to the next dimension of the services quality, assurance. As an employee, one has to instill the confidence in the customers. I've seen in the VRL Logistics Private Limited, employees thinking themselves as a company owner, telling the customer about the order, the delivery, then talking about problems, the roads and problems of the natural disaster to the customer. When the employee takes the ownership of the services and assure the customer believes more about the quality of the services offered by the organization. Making the customer feel safe in their transactions. So you are in a transportation business, somebody is sending the jewelry, somebody is sending a glass material, which are very, very delicate. So, we are in logistics, there was an option on the packaging, one has to write, handle with care. Another one is called as precious. So when you write something, the laborers who are loading and unloading also are very careful. They said this is difficult or a precious parcel that is going on. The CCTVs are installed in this. Therefore the customers are feeling safe in their transactions. And employees need not to be courteous with the only one time. Whenever the customer come to whether it is a parcel service office or that's a go down or that's order booking officers of any transportation companies, you need to be courteous. And it is to be a practice to them, irrespective whether it's a morning, evening, afternoon, normal day or hectic day. They have to be courteous with the customers. This will assure the quality among the customers. And to train their employees how to respond. When the VAT has come, the GST has come, I have seen the transportation companies are talking to their employees about the VAT and GST so that they can convince the customer for increase in the price. They also talk about the one-way bills that you have to pay, airway bills that you have to do create, and the packing list that is to be provided for the international transportation. If you educate the customers and the employees on these parameters, employees will tell to the customer when there is a question. Customer will be satisfied after their grievance addressed, their assurance increases, and the quality automatically inflates. Moving on to the next dimension, empathy. A transport company should not discriminate their customer. A customer may be a smaller one, a customer may be a large customer or regular customer. One has to give individual attention. In the Toyota production system, the smaller orders are finished first, then the bigger orders are taken. Because the smaller orders are given by once in a while customer, bigger orders are given by the general customers. So the Toyota do not want to lose the smaller orders. Similarly, transportation companies which are giving attention to all these type of customers, so they get individual attention. I have a close interaction with the two transportation companies in Belgaum, Akash Road Lines and Sanmati Road Lines. Okay, Akash Road Lines is the transporter for the Vega helmets. The call that comes from the Vega is taken as a very precious to them because Vega is a large customer. Similarly, they get some question orders from the Jinabokul. So they address those also. Once in a while, they address them also. So they provide individual attention, whether it's a Vega or Jinabakul or Bemco or this is Shanti Iron. Individual attention is given by the road line. That empathy makes them a good brand in Belgaum. Employees who deal with the customer in a caring fashion gets a higher quality ratings for their organizations. Particularly in the transportation, drivers are known for their unruly behavior. Laborers are known for their unruly behavior for the loading and unloading. You need to train them, tell them how this customer is vital for their business. The organization who insists for such empathy enhances the quality, and therefore empathy is crucial for the services marketing success. Having the customers best interest at the heart also increases the empathy. Customers may not be looking for the faster delivery, but when you give the faster delivery to them in a right manner, he will be delighted. Customer may be having the urgency, you respond to their urgency. So this empathy in the transportation businesses wins the heart of the customers. And employees who understand the needs of their customers always increases the empathy and the quality in turn. So the employees who are in the services encounter with the customers, they have to understand the needs of the customer. The customer may require lesser cost delivery. Customer may be looking for the responsive delivery. For them, the cost is not a matter. For them, the delivery and the quality is important. So one has to understand whether the customer belongs to efficient category or the responsive category. In similar way, the employee need to understand the needs and respond to them. This empathy increases the services quality. And in a transportation business hours matters here because the driver may be delayed due to something, or driver may come from the different destination. The like a Sanmati Transportation I have told in Belgaum. They work from 8 to 9 o'clock or 8 to 10 o'clock in the night, morning 8 to 10 and night 10. So that the parcel that comes here or the delivery to be given or the godown management, arranging the goods, so customer coming to the pickup center, all this you can deal very, very professionally. This increases the empathy. It's one of the SERVQual attributes. Then finally, I'll be discussing about the tangibles, how they increases the services quality attributes. The organizations who are using the modern equipment are increasing the services quality. In a transportation businesses, in a particularly warehouses I have seen, the forklift are used so that the parcel is placed vertically, okay, the damages are less. And picking from the once again rack and putting on the vehicle or the conveyor is easier. Those organizations who are modernizing their warehouses in the transportation businesses are increasing the services quality. Your facilities in a tangibles are visually appealing. As I told, what's the difference about the VRLs compared to other transportations? So the segregation of the parcels, segregations of the in-transit and outgoing transit parcels. So these are visually appealing. Customer feels that, okay, they have a nice warehouse management. And they segregate, once again, the precious, non-precious parcels, prime and non-prime parcels, regular customers and the once in a while customers. These segregation are visually appealing in the transportation. Some of the transportations are, trucks are now air conditioned and have a nice designs unlike the earlier structure of the trucks. These visual appealing facilities provides the tangibility to the services qualities. More than that, employees should wear the uniform. They have to be a professional in services. Look at the FedEx or the UPS. They insist on employees having their dress codes. So the brand is printed on the dress. That is one of the communication to the customers or the ongoers, road seekers. This increases the brand visibilities. Apart from this, visually appealing materials associated with the services also provides tangibilities. It may be the paper that you are giving, a business card that you are giving, a nice sitting room in the pickup center you are providing to them, or you are providing printed invoices on the delivery dates. So these visual appealing materials associated with the services, or maybe the brochures, flyers, catalogs in the transportation businesses, that provides the tangibility to the SERVQual. So service quality or the survey of SERVQual attributes depended on these questions. So 5 reliability questions, 4 responsive questions, 4 assurance questions, 5 empathy questions, and the 4 tangible questions. So therefore, these questions were asked for the quality perception to the customer and the responses are taken. This is how we measure the services quality. This is what is a SERVQual attributes in the services marketing. And I have explained this using the transportation business.